Hi, it's Cupcake. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. And today we're going to I'm going to show you. Hi, it's Callie. No. Hi, it's Cupcake. Welcome to my channel. And today I am going to be showing you how to put on makeup. So you have to pick the stop. Hi guys. So I'm gonna show you what the brushes are. These is for the blend like that. And this is for I don't know what these are for. Like I only know this one. So let's get into it. Okay, so what you see, y'all, I have. See, do y'all want gold? Leave down in the comments if you want gold. So, do you want to start with the eyeshadow or lip gloss? I'm probably going to do eyeshadow first, so I'm going to start with pink. We're just going to push it with like this. So y'all can see it's like, so you look like that. We're gonna keep doing that, but we're gonna use stuff with it. So where is that? My mom said let's go to McDonald's because we got Chick-fil-A, so. See, like this, just brush. And then we have to go like this, y'all. We're about to be done. We just gotta put on my lip gloss and we're done. This video will end. And then I'm gonna blend. So leave down in the comments if you want this, or this, or this, or this, this, or this. We have pink. We have another pink. We have a purple, and we have a pink. If y'all wanna know what this is, they're like lip glosses and they're candy canes. So I'm gonna choose this one, I guess. See, y'all can see it. It's like blurry, but Rebecca, if you're watching this, hi. And boom. And then we'll see you again soon. Okay, I will talk to y'all soon again on Cupcake, the makeup and gaming show. And y'all see me gaming on January 9th, okay? Bye, y'all. And we're done. Blend it in. Blend it in. I'll be right back.